Hello friends and my students, I am Dr. Vishnu Gral, welcomes you in my channel Engineering Setu. So today we will discuss the solution of NPTEL assignment 2 of ethics in engineering practices. The last date of submission of this assignment is 6th March. So before starting the assignment, I request you to subscribe my channel so that you will get the next solution in time. Okay, let's discuss. Question number 1. Consider the following statements and identify the statement that is false regarding competitive bidding. So, false statement is C. Bids for project are selected based on the prior relationship with the contractor. This is false statement. All other options are correct in case of competitive bidding. Next question 2. It is a case study. If you read the case study, you will get the solution that the whether to prioritize his personal belief or his job security. So employee should prioritize his belief or his job security. Both are not possible. Okay, so option B is correct for the question number 2. Question number 3. Whistleblowing can be prevented by the management by adhering to certain policies. Which of the following statement is true in this regard? So, whistleblowing is restricted by or stopped by strong corporate ethical culture, which helps to stop whistleblowing. So, fourth option is correct in this question. For this question. Question number 4. So in the question number 4, the correct answer is D. A situation where an employee is not following the company's code of conduct. So how does one define a conflict of interest? So conflict of interest arises when an employee is not following the company's code of conduct. Question number 5. There are 3 statements S1, S2, S3 which are erroneous, which is incorrect. So S2 is incorrect option. Gift amount to be bribe even if they are small gratuities offered in the normal conduct of business. So S2 is erroneous, but remaining S1 and S3s are that true statements. So option A is correct for this question. Question number 6. So it is also a case study. So we have to find that this is which type of whistleblowing is this. So this is the acknowledged whistleblowing. This is the type of acknowledged whistleblowing. So correct answer is B. Next question, question number 7. Andrew George, the CEO of a publicly traded firm, discloses their company's quarterly earnings to his brothers-in-law. If you share the information to your relatives, friends who can use to manipulate it, that is considered illegal and called insider information. So B is the correct option for the question number 7. Question number 8. Question number 8. There are 2 statement, assertion and reason. So if you read this statement, you will get the both A and R are individually true and R is the correct explanation of A. So for the question number 8, A option is correct. Question number 9. One car company said for sharing a social media tech critic of the company's just released electrical vehicle on the street of the Bay Area. He detailed the car's performance under varying situations. He shot footage of near crash situations. While management is tolerant to criticism from inside, they see public criticism as a sign of disloyalty. This is a case of dispositional privacy. So for the question number 9, the second option is correct, dispositional privacy. Question number 10. So for the question number 10, which of the following instances represent a conflict of interest that would prohibit the employee from being involved in the origination, processing, underwriting, closing or funding of the transaction? So the employees is the seller for a borrower's purchase mortgage. The employee reside with the borrower. The employee has financial interest in the transaction. All of these. So all of these are correct option for the question number 10. So thank you for listening the solution of assignment. So these are the solution of the assignment. So I will post the third assignment as early as possible. Thank you.